Why is energy efficiency investment needed? In December 2015 in Paris, governments for the first time reached an agreement to unite and combat climate change by committing to keep the global temperature rise this century well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. They also agreed to try and do better and limit the temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius. This agreement is often referred to as the Paris Agreement on Climate Change, and to date, 185 countries have ratified it. In order to reach this goal, each country is required to make nationally determined contributions, or NDCs. These are specific commitments for how much each country will reduce its greenhouse gas emissions, the main contributing factor to global temperature rise. In order to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, various strategies will be essential, including, of course, energy efficiency. It's recently been demonstrated that even if we reach the goal of limiting global temperature rise to 2 degrees Celsius, significant changes in climate will drastically affect life on Earth as we know it. For this reason, there's growing consensus that countries should be ambitious with their NDCs and aim to limit temperature rise to below 1.5 degrees Celsius. The measures needed to meet even the 2-degree scenario will require significant investment in energy efficiency and cleaner energy sources across all sectors. In this module, we will explore how the necessary investment for energy efficiency in the buildings sector might be provided. In 2015, UN member countries also committed to 17 Sustainable Development Goals, aiming to provide peace and prosperity for people and the planet. Examples of the SDGs include the eradication of poverty and hunger, health and well-being, education, gender equality, clean water, affordable and clean energy for all, biodiversity, peace and partnership, sustainable cities and communities, industry and innovation, decent work and economic activity, reduced inequalities, responsible consumption and production, and climate action. How much energy efficiency investment is needed? It's estimated that globally, an additional investment of $16 trillion is needed for energy efficiency in buildings through 2050 in order to meet a less than 2-degree rise in global temperature. In other words, this is investment beyond what is already spent each year in the building sector. How might we unlock such a significant sum of financial investment? This module will describe a range of approaches that can enable energy efficiency investment.